Aloe vera is one of many plants with a lot of benefits and often used in different products like hair care, skin care, and beverages. And today we are going to extract the gel. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Blessing. In extracting the aloe vera gel, first of all you will need to cut the leaf from the aloe vera plant or purchase from the supermarket. I recommend you have your plant at home as it is super easy to maintain and cheaper in the long run. Start by slicing the sides of the leaf. Careful not to cut out too much. Proceed by chopping the leaf into smaller pieces and begin to skin the leaf. Use a spoon to scoop out the aloe vera gel into a container. Make sure to scoop out everything in order to avoid wastage. Aloe vera has a lot of amazing benefits. It promotes hair growth, leaves your hair shining and smooth, conditions the scalp and reduces dandruff, strengthens and repairs hair strands. Lastly, pour the gel into a strainer and with the help of a whisk, sieve the liquid gel into a bowl. Add a little bit of water and squeeze with your hands to help extract the gel. Once you're done, pour the gel into your container. Aloe vera gel can be used for Prepoo treatments, conditioners, and deep conditioners. It can also be used to make aloe vera oil. I'll be using this gel for my daughter's Prepoo treatment. Click on the card there on the top right corner of your screen to watch the video. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.